Hello and welcome. This is Matt from Nurango. We're going to be walking through how to set up phone number capturing from Zapier using WebHooks and Google Sheets. Last time we looked at how to use Zapier to catch webhooks and send it to different destinations such as email and so forth. So today we're going to specifically be tracking phone numbers that are being used for marketing campaign or just to keep some example Google Analytics data if we want to track the calls coming in from Google Analytics and so on. And you can really use this for any tracking of phone numbers that you want. So you're going to make sure that you're in the Nurango dashboard. By the way, this is Matt with Nurango. So welcome again, and log into the dashboard. Go ahead and click on the WebHooks Manager app, and you can set up a new webhook with the parameters something similar to this. Hook name capture calls, trigger event. We're going to go with channel answer or channel create if you would like to have the data when someone makes the call but not necessarily when it's answered. You can do a channel create versus a channel answer. The request type is post. In case of failure, we're going to retry twice in this case, and we're going to get our URL from Zapier. So go on into your Zapier account, make a new Zap, and in the meantime, I've already got my spreadsheet set up here called number tracking with the column header of number. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the WebHooks app by Zapier. And I'm going to catch a hook because we'll be sending the data to Zapier. No child key. We're going to pick that off from the call data. So here we're ready to test. We're going to copy first this webhook URL. We're going to go back into the dashboard, make sure that we've got this pasted into the URL. We're going to update the webhook, and we're going to have it enabled by default once we save. So you can turn that on and off. So we'll go back here and say we've done this, and in the meantime what I'm going to do is I'm going to call into the system using a phone number already set up to a ring group. So let's see what that looks like here. And there's our hook. So here we should be capturing a full call here, and what we want is the callee ID number. So we're going to continue, and bear in mind the callee ID number is our DID. And then we're going to set up Google Sheets. If you haven't already authorized your Zapier account for Google Docs, it will prompt you with a login to go ahead and sync those up. We're going to create spreadsheet row. We're going to create a new row every time the phone number is being called. So we're going to go to this account here. Alright. Labeled it call tracking. Spreadsheet I have number tracking again. The worksheet, sheet 1. And we're going to get that callee ID, which is callee ID number. It'll give us just the output of the phone number we want to track. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and test that as well. Perfect. Now, if I hit finish, we're going to name the Zap. Track analytics calls, and we're going to turn the Zap on, and we should be live. So if we go over to our spreadsheet here, that's our test data. Okay, now if I go ahead and make another call into my ring group, I should see that row update. And there it is there. And from there, I could do accounts. I could sort the phone numbers after if I'd like to as well. And, you know, I could do anything you'd want into the spreadsheet, and there she goes. So thank you very much for joining. If you need more help, be sure to visit help.nurango.ca or send us a ticket at help@nurango.ca. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you again very soon.